All right, well, we will see. This is one that I've had for a bit. I bought out of California, clean title. Somebody had started a restoration on it. It's pretty much there. It just needs the motor put in. I've actually said I'd sell it whole. I'm not even 100% sure I'd even sell the tub off this one, especially, I mean, obviously this would have to go for a premium to pull apart. I'd rather move this one as a whole if we're going to sell it. It's actually our company colors, which to you may not matter for color, but for us, it happens to be the orange we use for that out here. It's an 84.5, I believe, but this one does have a liner on the inside. It's a good liner. It actually looks awesome, and it's even, well, look at that. It's actually not even done really well. That's probably going to come right off. I was hoping that when we do it, we probably will hit this and just pull it off. So the cool thing is that it looks like when they painted the inside, which is great. It actually looks like it's flaking a few areas, so definitely didn't apply this liner like they should have. So that's good and bad. I mean, somebody will probably have to recoat it if they want to keep the liner. Otherwise, it looks like all the little areas, this stuff flakes off pretty easily. So definitely a perfect tub, though. As perfect as probably you're going to find, especially the fact that there's absolutely no bodywork involved in this thing. So that might be worth enough to pull it. I'm not sure. I'll mull it around, but I'll send it over to you and let you see it, and you can chat it over with the customer and possibly you know, maybe hint at seeing if there's, I know you don't need the whole thing, but they don't, but maybe they have some good parts. This does not have any drivetrain in it. So a couple things that this Jeep is a Renegade. So, and you can always tell Renegades or Laredos because they'll have clocks and the RPM gauge. It's got a tilt column. Other than that, they're pretty much the same. There's not much else they change. This has got an absolutely gorgeous windshield frame on it. I know that was something you asked me about. The hood's a little nicked up on this one, but not too bad. Got some scratches on it. Fenders are beautiful. Frame is gorgeous. It's got a shackle reversal on it. Brand new tires. Literally still has the tires hits on them. So, all right. Again, this is, we'll see. Okay, one piece AMC 20 in the rear, 30 up front. And for those of you who looking, because I know the moment this goes live, I'm going to get hit up about it. I've already been hit up about it a number of times. People wanting it, and I was just not ready to do much, and I still am kind of on the fence, but like I said, it might be time to do something else. I have another one that lined up that's got a unusual liner on it, but it might be something we can use out here for what we're wanting to do. So this has got a rear 44 wide track, for those of you who've been calling. That's the mysterious unicorn right there. They only did that 1 year. And it's got a matching 30 front, which is essentially the same, except for heavy duty. They call it heavy duty steering and knuckles and calipers, everything. The brakes are bigger on them. So ratio is not the most desirable if you're running a smaller motor or even a 6-cylinder, but if you're running a V8 or planning on doing LS swap or Hemi swap, this would be an ideal ratio because they're tall gears, they're 272s, which again, for a 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder guy, that's going to be, you're going to want to have rebuild those. But all right, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited Parts Breakers, 303-666-9020. At least let's have a conversation.